Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel Simple and Easy English. Today you will learn
Telling the time in English.
telling the time in English. In this lesson you will be introduced to telling the time in English. You will practice telling the time with a variety of examples. Asking for the time. The common question forms we use to ask for the time right now are: what time is it? What time is it? What is the time? What is the time? Then, a more polite way to ask for the time, especially from a stranger, is: could you tell me the time, please? Could you tell me the time, please? Given the time, we use it is or it's to respond to the questions that ask for the time right now. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. It's 10 to 12. It's 10 to 12.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:05.
It's 2:05.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:10.
It's 2:10.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:15.
It's 2:15.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:20.
It's 2:20.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:25.
It's 2:25.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:30 or it's 2:30.
It's 2:30 or it's 2:30.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 25 to 3.
It's 25 to 3.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 20 to 3.
It's 20 to 3.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 2:45.
It's 2:45.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 10 to 3.
It's 10 to 3.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 5 to 3.
It's 5 to 3.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's o'clock.
It's o'clock.
It's 5 past.
It's 5 past.
It's 10 past.
It's 10 past.
It's quarter past.
It's quarter past.
It's 20 past.
It's 20 past.
It's 25 past.
It's 25 past.
It's half past.
It's half past.
It's 25 to.
It's 25 to.
It's 22.
It's 22.
It's quarter to.
It's quarter to.
It's 10 to.
It's 10 to.
It's 5 to.
It's 5 to. There are different ways of telling the time. The first one, we can say the hour first and then the minutes. That is to say, hour first plus minutes. Examples: it's 6:25. It's 8:05. It's 9:11. It's 2:34. The second way, when you say the minutes first and then the hour, which means minutes plus past or to plus hour. For minutes 1 to 30 we use past after the minutes. For minutes 31 to 59 we use to after the minutes. Examples: it's 25 to 3. It's 20 past 11. It's 18 past 4. It's 9 to 9. It's 1 to 3. O'clock. We use o'clock when there are no minutes. For example, it's 10 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. AM versus PM. When 12-hour time is used, we sometimes add AM or PM to the time to distinguish the first half of the day from the second half of the day. We use AM for the morning. AM is from midnight to moon. For example, 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 o'clock in the morning. We use PM for the afternoon and night. PM is from noon to midnight. For example, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Note: 12 p.m. is noon. 12 a.m. is midnight. 12 a.m. is midnight. So, as you can see, there are two forms: full form and short form. Examples: it's 4:30, or it's 4:30. It's 7 o'clock, or it's 7 o'clock. It's 9:15, or it's 9:15. It's 1:45, or it's 1:45. It's 3:10, or it's 3:10. It's 4:10, or it is 3:50. It's 6:20, or it is 5:40. It is 10:20, or it is 10:20. At last, if you like this video, don't forget to click the subscription button below and comment. Thank you.